So here is the 1 year update of the weld I made. And yeah, it's still holding up. Holding up just fine. I don't drive the truck a lot, but I do drive it to haul big things. So yeah, before the weld, the bed would bounce around, but after the weld, it stabilized it. And yeah, and here's the other side. Held up just fine. And I forgot how many miles I put on it, but I'll show you how many miles on now. It's about 218,000 miles. And I believe I got the car around 212,000 miles. And yeah, still holding on. And the wheel's still holding. There's nothing much to say. And yeah, I'll probably do another update in another year or so. I'm gonna drive this truck until I can no longer, drive it. To me, it's just a truck, I just use the truck to haul things, and I don't drive it daily, so it doesn't bother me. So here's the update. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Look forward to another year. See ya.